What if I told you that you can create your own personal space where you can invite your friends and make new ones as well? A space that is infinite in size and can be run by you, your friends, or even bots that can add a little spice to everything. So you can make the space into anything you want, and it can be an arcade, it can be a stage, it can be outer space. The place is yours to command, and it's a virtual space called Discord. Discord can help connect people from all over the world, especially in situations like the one we're in right now, which is the pandemic, where you just can't go out to meet people. I'll be talking about what Discord is, why you should use it, where to go to download it. I will then show you how to create a server, make a bare bones template for it, and then how to create a invite link to go with that. Lastly, I will show you how to find bots to add them to the server along with what kind of bots there are. The idea of Discord is if you remember going out with your friends or to a club hangout spot to do whatever you guys wanted to do, that is Discord in a nutshell because it's a virtual space that can help you hang out with people, go to study groups, play games with other people, or even just hang out. This will help you and your friends if you live far away or you guys just can't get out, like our current situation in the pandemic. Discord is trusted by millions of people and communities all over the world. So, Discord themselves wrote that Discord is about giving people belonging in their lives and creating meaningful relationships. And they want to we want to make it easier for you to talk regularly with the people you care about, with your friends and your communities close to home or around the world. So, to also prove that people use Discord a lot and they trust it, here's some statistics from a article written on March 22nd, 2021 from the Business of Apps written by David Curry. He wrote that Discord has over 140 million active monthly users and 300 million registered accounts. So the first thing you will need is a smart device or a computer and or a web browser. A web browser that I will be using today is Google Chrome. Being Google Chrome is a web browser, much like Safari or Microsoft Edge if you're using Windows software. A web browser is an application software that allows you to access the World Wide Web. So here it is. This is what the Google Chrome symbol looks like. So that's what I will be using today is Google Chrome. And with that, you'll head over to the discord.com website. This is what the front page of the Discord website looks like. From there, you will go ahead and either click open Discord in your browser or you'll click download. All right, so once you guys either have it installed or while I will be using the web browser version of Discord, once you sign on and create an account on Discord, you'll be prompted with this screen right here. It says create your first Discord server. Your server is where you and your friends hang out and make yours and start talking. So it says right here, create your own server. While they have templates already made so you don't have to do any work unless you want to edit it later. But here they have gaming, school club, study group, friends, artist creators, and local communities. I wanted to show you guys how to create a very bare bones server. So we'll click create my own. It says tell us about your server. It's going to be for me and my friends. And then you can name the server whatever you want. And for this demonstration, it's going to be tester server. You can also upload an image for your icon for your server. You go ahead and click create. To start a conversation, let's get you ready to talk. What's your topic your group likes? And we'll say it's a study group. Study group. Your server is ready. Welcome to your new place to talk. So this is similar to what you'll see. Altogether, it's the same. So it says right here, invite people. This is how you're going to get people into your server and allow them to join you. So you'll click invite people, it'll come up with this link right here. And if it's just for your friends and yourself, you can click set this link to never expire. This will make it to where you can always use it forever. But once you get this link, you can send it to your friends and then they'll be able to join directly by clicking on this. You can send it text message, email, wherever, they'll be able to join. So that's how you let people into your server. Right here, this is just a bare bones of what they give you when you start creating your own server. So what you want to do, if you want to get things organized, what you can do is you'll right click over here, or you can come up here and click create channel or category. So you'll click create category and you'll click create category. And then there won't be anything in it, so you will have to go in there and click this little plus button that says create channel, create text channel, or you can create voice channel. We'll do text channel first, and then this will be homework questions. And then there you go. So now you can go in here and just, but if you want to hang out and talk while you're doing your work, you can go over here, create voice channel, and it'll be math homework VC for voice chat. And then you just click that, and then you can click on it and you'll be able to join it and you'll be able to talk to your friends. It's really simple. If you go and to the Business Insider again, businessinsider.com, they wrote a article December 22nd of 2020. They said if you want to build your own community or just make a chat room for your friends, setting up your own Discord server is easy, no matter how you use the app, on desktop, browser, or on a smartphone. It only takes a few minutes. Like, I got this up really, really quickly, and you can do it just the same. All right, now we're gonna start talking about bots. Bots are like Santa's little helpers that can help you perform a number of useful automated tasks, such as welcoming new members, monitoring your content in your Discord, as well as banning people if you need them to. So the first things you're gonna do is you're gonna come over here. You're gonna go on your preferred search engine, which mine's gonna be Google, of course. And you're gonna type in Discord bots. And you're gonna go ahead and click enter. It'll bring you up over here. This website right here, top.gg, is gonna be your best friend for this. You're gonna go ahead and click the first link. So if you guys are just looking for a bot and it's just you and your friends and it's a study group, you can go ahead and get like a music bot. They're really helpful. They pop up into your Discord and you guys can just hang out and listen to music while you're doing homework together. You guys just type in it up here. It said music bots, and then you click enter like this. Click on rhythm right here. You can go ahead and click view, and it'll bring you to their website. Once you do that, you can go ahead and click invite the bot. Once you click that, it'll allow you to, it'll bring you to this screen. It says, do you want to access, it wants to access your account. You just click add server. You click the server name that you want it to add to, and then you click continue. You click authorize, and then I'll ask you if you're human. You go ahead and clear through the CAPTCHA. Once you do that, it's right here in your Discord now. So if you go ahead and go into your main Discord section or into your direct messages, it'll tell you how to use it. And then from there, you can just do that. Easy and simple. The next time you're looking for a way to get together with your friends or hang out with your community, if you want a game or if you want to hang out, then look for Discord and try it out.